back. William Wynn, Fly Corvair. Today I'd like to talk to you about two other manuals that we have. One is the operations manual and the other one is a Zenith installation manual. If you're assembling a Zenith aircraft and you're going to power it with a Corvair, this manual is a must. It's about 100 pages of detailed installation notes on exactly how the Corvair is installed on the Zenith airframe. The operations manual offers the perspectives of 10 different high-time Corvair pilots on their flight operations. It also has a very, very detailed look at a flight test program by a PhD aeronautical engineering test pilot that I find to be critical in operations for your first flights. So get a look at both of these in the description text below. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe.